the kitchen floor. I hear your laugh as you close the door. Coffee brews and the world slows down. Everyday magic in this little town. We trace our days like a melody, soft and steady, just you and me. We build a life thread by thread, a tapestry of words unsaid. Love in the simplest things we do. I choose you. I choose you. Rain taps a song on the window pane. We dance around like we're kids again. Your hand in mine, nothing feels too far. Home is wherever you are. We turn each page like a symphony, ever changing yet perfectly free. We build a life stitch by stitch, a garden full of blooms we wish. Love in the smallest things we do. I choose you. I choose you. Through every sunrise, every storm, I find my shelter in your arms. The seasons shift, but this remains a love that grows, a love that stays. We build a life breath by breath, a gentle